Absolutely, top of the class, John. That's a brilliant description of the weather over the next few days and actually over the last few days as well. You can see from this Weather Watcher's picture taken earlier, there's a fair bit of cloud around this morning and it has been producing quite a lot of rain. It's courtesy of this weather front here. It brought rain in across the north and the west, and through the day it's going to slip slowly southwards and eastwards. It's a waving front. That's why it's changing direction. So you can see we've got all this rain. Edinburgh's had a fair old deluge this morning, and there's also quite a bit of cloud around, and that cloud thick enough the odd spot of drizzle. There's a low cloud, mist and fog on the hills and the coasts, especially around our band of rain, which will continue its journey moving southwards through the day. It will brighten up in the south of England, lastly across the south coast where we'll hang on to cloud a bit more, and then across Scotland and Northern Ireland brightening up as well with just a few showers here and there. But the wind's going to strengthen through the afternoon across Northern Ireland and western Scotland, and here too it's going to be fresher. You can see the difference in the temperature in the charts. As we come further south, it's warmer or hotter depending where you are, and it still will remain humid. Now, as we head through this evening and overnight, once again we hang on to the humidity across the far southeast. In the north, we've got something fresher. And overnight, our band of rain moving south will continue to weaken, the rain in it turning light and patchy. But at the same time, we'll have heavy thundery downpours coming up across the Channel Islands and pushing in across the far southeast of England. That's courtesy of this weather front here, which through the day will eventually push away onto the near continent, leaving high pressure in charge ahead of the next weather front coming in from the west. So this rain, as I mentioned, heavy and thundery downpours from it, moving steadily away towards the near continent. It looks at the moment like its western edge could be as far west as the East Midlands. But as it clears, you'll find the sun will come out. There will be one or two showers, not many at all. They'll be the exception rather than the rule. And as our next weather front comes in across western Scotland and also Northern Ireland, the cloud here will thicken up and we'll see one or two showers coming in too. Temperatures tomorrow, fresher in the north. We're looking at 19 to about 20 degrees at best. As we come further south, we're looking at 20 to about 24 or 25. Now in the south tomorrow, as I mentioned, it will start off humid, but through the day we'll start to import some fresher air. Into Friday then, it's a really messy picture on Friday. We've got another weather front coming in across the northwest, and it's erratically moving southwards and eastwards, staying largely dry in southern England or the southeast of England anyway, and then behind that weather front it does brighten up. These are our temperatures. We're looking at 14 in Lerwick, 20 in Liverpool and up to 25 in London. Tina and John.
Okay, you've got everything for us. Carol, thank you very much indeed. If you